everyone, my name is Sydney. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. You just approached Vlogmas, so I am doing 30 days of Christmas videos on my channel, so make sure if you like this video to go ahead and subscribe so you can keep up with all the videos, and go ahead and see what other videos I've already posted because you might like them. So what we're doing today is I'm showing you guys how to get a really cute nail look for only $10. It could be even less than that. And I'm gonna show you, this is the brand I love to use. I've used other brands in the past and I hated them. So these are actually Ultra Shine gel strips, and they are by Gloss. So if you wanna get them right away, you can get them at Walmart, and I believe they're like $5 there. But I went online because I love the brand so much and I ordered a bunch of them. And online, I think they were a little bit more expensive. So I got this one. And this is the one they actually sell at Walmart, I think. So you can probably get that one there. But I'm going to show you guys how to apply them. They're so easy, and they usually last me like 3 to 4 weeks. And they don't come off. They're amazing. They're easy to remove. They're so easy to remove. You literally just peel them off. I've been using these for like a few months now. Love them, so I'm gonna show you guys how to do this. So my first tip is make sure you don't have anything on your nails prior, no like lotion or anything like that. Just make sure they're clean nails. And then I already shaped them and just kind of cut them down. But what I like to do also, I like to use one of these buffer tools and just kind of like smooth out my nails so it's a nice surface. So go ahead and do that, and then we're gonna go ahead and show you how to put these on. Okay, so I already filed down my nails and shaped them like I said. So I opened up the pack, and when you open up the pack, what you're gonna get are some nail strips. So here is our options. We have like a marble, a gold glitter. This one is just like a tan with like a gold like little topper or something. And then this is like a light pink with like a gold top or whatever, bottom, I don't know. It comes with another one of these. Oh yeah, okay, so some extras in here, and then it's gonna come with a nail filer. This is really important, so make sure to use this. At first I was like, why do I hate chintzy nail filers, but you actually do need to use this. So what we're gonna do, I'm just gonna pick a nail that kind of fits my size, and I'm gonna take it off. Also, like I said, these are really easy to remove, so if you mess up, just pull it off and try again. So make sure you don't get the cuticles. If you need to push down your cuticles like beforehand, make sure to do that. And I'm gonna line it up with my nail. Here, I guess I'll show you guys. Can you see? Okay, sorry, this is not gonna be the best. Like this. I'll show you a close-up in a minute. And then I'm gonna like press it down onto my nail like that. Yep, and make sure it's not on the cuticle, because when your nail grows, you don't want it to like start like getting weird and peel. So then what I do to like end it, I'll pull it down. Make sure there's no air bubbles. Pull it down, just like this, and wrap it around your nail. And then I'll get this guy and kind of just like go over the top and file it. And then I need to do a little bit better. And then you just pop it off. And then there you go. Just like that. Okay, let me show you some close-ups real quick on how to do this. Gonna apply it, watch for the cuticles. Smooth it out, make sure there's no air bubbles. And then I'm gonna pull it down like this. And sometimes I do like one side at a time. So as you can see, it's pulled down. Hopefully that's a little bit in focus, sorry guys. And then file, and it'll pull off a little bit, and then I'll pull it down again. Gosh, I'm so sorry, I'm really bad at filming this. And file, and then pull it off. Just like that. Cool, let me do a few more so you guys can get the gist of it. We're gonna lay it down. And if it doesn't fit your nail, you can like stretch it. You can stretch it a little bit to fit, so that's kind of cool too. Okay, laid down, no air bubbles, smooth it out, then bring it down like this, wrap it around your nail, get the nail filer, and file the top, and you could just tear it off just like that. This side I need to do a better job, see? Sometimes you gotta do it like twice and do like each side since your nails are kind of like rounded, you know? And just like that. So easy. So I'm gonna do all of my nails and then I'll show you guys the final product. Okay guys, I'm back and this is the final nail product. I don't know if you can see that, but can you? Yeah, you can. Look how stinking cute. So pretty, so fresh, so cool, so inexpensive, for real though. And yeah, that's basically all it is. I am obsessed with this. I've been doing them, like I said, for a few months. And another thing is, don't go on Amazon and buy them because I tried that and they were just so bad. Like they did not stay on. Like when I was in the shower, they would like start to peel up. These I have no problem with. And again, it is the brand Gloss. I'll leave it down in the bio. But make sure you grab these because they are so legit, so good. And I love them. Okay, if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. I am making a million more. Okay, only like 30 videos for December, but like that's a lot of videos. That's a lot of videos. So make sure if you like this video for more tutorials, and I am gonna have some house tours and like some other different type of things going on. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and then you can follow me on Instagram too. Also, Mondays at 8:30 p.m. me and my husband, we do a faith TV show that's live at 8:30 p.m. on his channel. So I will link that down below too for more information. All right, guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.